Hi, this is Lisa from Blue Star Minis. And we got Baby Easter here with us. Baby Easter is a toy mini Aussiedoodle. Oh, we get a yawn there. She's what some people would call a red chocolate bi. Also, some might call her a red chocolate tuxedo. She's got the white going up on her back legs. Yes. Oh, we get another yawner. We get another yawner. She's got a beautiful coat. She got a nice little wave to it. You can see it coming out more in her ears and stuff. So she's going to have a beautiful little coat. Yes. Very loving and very kind-hearted. Sweet personality. Yes. Let's see. Yes. I just love the white coming up on her back legs. I think that's so pretty. And it's going to feather too. As she gets older, you'll see a little kind of like a feathering. It's going to be just beautiful. Yes. Huh. They're going to be pretty. Yes. It's got a nice little coat. It's not too curly. Got a nice little curl to it. She's getting more waviness in it. You can see the waviness by her ears and her legs and up on her chest. Huh. Baby Easter is 6 weeks old. She'll be ready to leave about at 8 weeks. She will leave with her first puppy shot and be dewormed at least 3 times. Huh. Show them that pretty now. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Show them the back. Yes. All my puppies leave with what I call like a puppy love bag that has some food in it, some toys. Also has a baby blanket that's got mama's scent in it and my scent in it. Yes. Huh. She's a sweetheart. Yep. Yep. See, I'm a healthy little girl. Yeah. Very kind-hearted. You see, they want to check it out. So you can find us on Blue Star Mini. Another yawn. Boy. You can find us on bluestarminis.com. Also on X, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. We're pretty much everywhere. So you can see me and my siblings. Yep. Got pictures and videos. Yes. Yes. Got pictures and videos. Yes. Oh. Oh. Look at that cute face. Huh, Miss Easter? Huh? That kid got a cute little face. Yes. All right. You gonna tell them bye-bye? You gonna tell them bye-bye? Huh? You gonna tell them bye-bye? Huh? Huh? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.